In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leads in Zoho CRM. Whether you're managing your sales pipeline or organizing your customer base, adding leads in Zoho CRM is an essential task that can streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Zoho CRM account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM login page. Enter your credentials to access your account. It's always wise to ensure that your password is strong and secure to protect your valuable business data. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Zoho CRM dashboard. This is your main hub where you can manage various aspects of your customer relationship management. Now, focus your attention on the top menu. Here, you'll see a range of modules designed to help you organize and oversee your CRM tasks. For this tutorial, you'll want to click on the Leads module. This section is dedicated to managing potential sales leads and is your go-to spot for tracking new prospects. Once you're in the Leads module, look for the Create Lead button. It's typically located at the top right of your screen and is easily identifiable by the plus icon next to it. Clicking on this button will open a new form for you to input your leads information. Now comes the most critical part, filling in the leads details. This is where you get to personalize your CRM and make sure all relevant information is captured. You should see fields for the lead's name, email, phone number, company name, lead source, and potentially more depending on your CRM customization. Ensure that you fill in as much information as possible. This not only helps you keep track of your interactions, but also provides valuable context for future engagement. Be meticulous here. Accurate and detailed records can be incredibly beneficial when it comes to converting leads into loyal customers. Once you've populated all necessary fields with your leads data, you'll need to save your work. Look for the Save button, which is usually found at the bottom or the top of the form you're working on. Upon clicking Save, your lead will be added to the CRM system, allowing you to track and manage it as needed. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive way to add leads in Zoho CRM. Taking these steps not only helps you build a more robust sales pipeline, but also enhances your team's ability to engage with and convert potential clients. Remember, maintaining organized and updated records is key to effective CRM management. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing your efficiency with Zoho CRM.